Namaskaram. Welcome to Mata Bhuvaneshwari Jodidam. My previous video was about Dhanteras. Today I will tell you about the other celebrations and rituals performed on Dhanteras. This year Dhanteras is on 13th of November 2020. Dhanvantari Jayanti. Dhanteras is also the birth anniversary of Lord Dhanvantari, the god of Ayurveda, as this is the day when Lord Dhanvantari came out from the Srir Sagar during the Sagar Manthan, carrying the Amrita Kalasha. Thus, Dhanteras is also known as Dhanvantari Trayodashi or Dhanvantari Jayanti. Lord Dhanvantari is considered as an incarnation of Lord Vishnu. People practicing Ayurveda consider this day to be very important. Also, people who want to live a healthy life may worship Lord Dhanvantari on this day. The Pratakala Muhurtam, or the time just after the sunrise, is considered to be the best time to worship Lord Dhanvantari. Yamadipam. Yamadipam is a ritual performed on Dhanteras. Yamadipam is a deepak lit for god Yamadharmaraja. It is done to ward off any untimely death of the family members. It is also known as Yamdeep. Yamadipam is performed in different ways in different parts of the country. In some places, people lit a deepak outside their house during the Sayana Sandhya period. Some people lit only one deepak per household, but some lit a deepak per member in the family. For example, if there are 4 members in a family, then they may lit 4 deepak. Some people use new deepak. Some use the deepak used for the last year, Deepavali, for Yamadipam. I would like to mention the way Yamadipam is performed in my family. In our family, Yamadipam is performed as the last work of the day. It is generally done by the elder lady in the family. The deepak used in the previous Diwali is used for the Yamadipam. It is a custom to put a coin of any value in the deepak, and the deepak is taken around the house. Especially, it is shown to all the corners of the house except toilets or bathrooms. After that, the deepak is left near an isolated or abandoned place outside the house. Please note that irrespective of whatever way the Yamadipam ritual is performed, the deepak is always kept outside the house and is never brought or kept inside the house under any circumstances. If it is kept outside the house near the entrance, then we may throw it away the next day, but never bring Yamadipam inside the house. We should let the Deepak go off by itself. That is, we should not disturb the Deepak after keeping it outside. Also, the Deepak should be lit and kept with the light facing towards the south direction. As the Yamadipam ritual differs from one place to another or from one family to another, it is always advisable to follow your own family tradition while performing Yamadipam. This is all I wanted to share about Dhanvantri Jayanti and Yamadipam. I wish you all a happy and prosperous Dhanteras. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for further updates. Thank you.